Hey everybody, Alison Smith from Alison Smith Coaching. I am a parenting specialist, relationship specialist, and a coach for communication, family dynamics, and emotional intelligence. I am a certified UEQ trainer. I work with organizations and companies that wish to train their staff or their management team in emotional intelligence, or EQ, as we like to call it. EQ is the management, identification, and the using of emotions in a productive way and helping others to then do the same. That's EQ. There's a lot that goes into EQ, but I'm sharing a really simple game. In fact, this is the fastest, funnest, and most affordable way for you to be supported in the growth of your mental wellness and performance through emotional intelligence. This is an emotion of the day video. What I'm going to do for you is I will pull one of the cards from this card deck, which is highly gamified and full of neuroscience. All you need to know is that we're retraining your brain for greater emotional intelligence, and we are improving your conversational EQ skills. This particular deck is level 1 in the UEQ series of 12 decks, and more being discovered and developed all the time. Not discovered, developed is what I mean. So here's the card I pulled: surprised or surprise. And I'm going to share this in the present tense, and there's an important reason why. I can tell you after. Surprise or surprised? Let me see. Surprised. I feel surprised when my daughter shows up with a beautiful little snack on cute little plates on a tray for me to surprise me, because I think how much effort she must have put into that. And that makes me feel pretty special. So you'll notice I feel, and I think in the present tense. So I feel, and then saying I think, I'm connecting those two parts of my brain, the thinking part and the emotion part, because both are needed to effectively deal with emotions. And I do it in the present tense because as we talk about emotions or a situation, our brain can't tell the difference. It's actually feeling that emotion all over again. So word of the day, emotion of the day is surprised or surprise. I encourage you to journal about this or tell someone or just say it quietly out loud to yourself what it is that you feel and what you think about surprise or surprised today. We'll talk to you later. And if you are interested in knowing more, you can visit my website. And here's a link. I'm not sure if the chat is going to go along with the video or not. I still have to check on that because I'm recording a bunch of these in a row. You might have heard me mention it before. So if you haven't seen that, oh, that is a Zoom link. We do not want that. Okay. That is not necessary. Okay, so it's a bit.ly link, bit.ly/EQ, the number 4, PARENTS. EQ for parents is a bit.ly link. You go to that and you can find out some more information about the particular group program I have for parents. But soon I'm going to have a website just for my training business, which is for organizations, companies, and not-for-profits. So we're going to be doing some training together very soon. There's the link in case you can see it. That's EQ for parents, and it's a bit.ly link. So bit.ly/EQ, the number 4, parents. Check it out, or give me a call or an email, and we can chat about this awesome game. Stay tuned for another emotion of the day. Bye.